Hi guys, welcome to Let's Gossip. Guys, Utirelo. Guys, yes, Utirelo, I don't know what is she doing. Kuru uyasfaga ezintweni and uyabona ukuthi she will never be happy in this marriage. Manje uya emzumbe ovakashisa umntwana. Mawafika obabamkhulu womntwana umtshela kahle ukuthi yazi if ufuna ukuthi sikushade, we're gonna shatter you in one condition, that uzohlala emzumbi. Guys, and you can see ukuthi they made up their mind because umusa uthi ufanele ayigwinye whatever that we are throwing to him uzoyigwinya. So kusho ukuthi makafuni ukuhlala emzumbi bazothatha omunye azohlala emzumbi. So do you see that? To be honest enough, lo mshado, I don't understand, guys. I don't understand ukuthi usasemncane kanje usifaka emshadweni. You can see ukuthi nje you don't have a say. Uyacho uMpumelelo ukuthi yena akagqoki isiketi. That means he's not gonna listen to any woman. It's either you take it or you leave it. Mara Utirelo is saying bathi uyafuna ukuthi siye phambili. Athi yebo baba, yebo ngiyafuna. But bayakutshela straight ukuthi uzohlala emzumbe. And this is the condition that we're gonna marry you on. So guys, just tell me ukuthi if umuntu ahlala emzumbe, how's life gonna be? How is life going to be? Basebenza kuphi abantu basemzumbe? Or there's a town near or whatever. I don't know. On top of that, Umpumelelo uthi they were fighting. Okay, they were not fighting. Utirelo beya amulwanisa because check ifone yaka Mpumelelo when Mpumelelo was sleeping. Wathola ama-message wamantombazana. On top of that, uyamshiya. Angithi umlethe ekhaya. Uyamshiya, uyahamba, uya edrobheni. Uyomita omunye umuntu. Uyomita enye intombazana. Uthi ufuna ukuyishada. Guys, what kind of life is this? Mina, I don't have a problem with this tempo, guys, but concentrate on one person at a time. Ufuna ukushada lo uTirelo. Why concentrate on Tirelo kancane nje? Preparations zomshado, amnikeza uthando, kube mnandi, and from there bakhulume indaba ya omunye. Instead of him in the mix of uTirelo being married or being lobola, ubusy uyokhohlisa omunye ukuthi ngiyakuthanda ngifuna ukukushada. And it looks like ama-DM wakampumelelo are busy, slider into people's DMs. Kuri uyashare left, right, and center. And bayavuma. Just because maybe Mpumelelo it's on TV, that is the reason why are popular kanje. Guys, they're not even looking on the future. Babheke nje ukuthi uMpumelelo umntwana ka Mthombeni. They think ukuthi ba-rich banemali. Guys. Guys, let's meet on the other video. Bye.